Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Lustre. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing Boxycharm Mystery Box of May 2019. So let's get started real quick. Okay, so this is the tiny box I received. I paid $21 in the Adam store for this box. So I'm gonna unbox it and then tell you guys the price of the full box. Okay, so the theme of this month, mind you, it's a year ago. So the theme was make waves. Okay, and then you have all the items that you have here with the price. Okay, so I'm gonna be unboxing, so excited. I don't know what it is or anything. I haven't been subscribed to Boxycharm for so long, so I don't know, what I might get. Also, if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box that have various memberships, and the base box is $25, which includes 5 full-size products, and the total value of the products overall is $125. So it's a pretty good box. And they also have different perks for members, such as the Adam store, which is where I got this. You get like really expensive brands for at a discounted price. And you also get the boxes of previous months and or years, because this is a year ago, and it was $21, which was the original price that they started. However, now it's $25, but they do offer many other perks. Okay, so enough talking about this. I'm gonna start unboxing this box. Okay, so the first thing I see here, whoa, it's a pretty big product and cool packaging. It's like the rainbow colors and it like moves. Like, you see different colors moving there. It's really cool. So this is from the brand Glamglow. It's a skincare product. It is a Gentlebuble daily conditioning cleanser. Okay, it's a cleanser. That's really cool. Let me open it to see it. And it says hello sexy. That's cute. Okay, so this is the packaging. Whoa, it's a really big cleanser. I've actually tried this brand before, a face mask, and I loved it. I used it completely right away when I did receive it in Boxycharm. So yeah, and this is what it looks like. This product here is pretty cool. Let me open it, see if I can open it. Okay. Ooh, it's like a pearl. Doesn't smell like anything, but the color, it's like a pearl, and it's like a cream consistency. So cool. I'm excited to try this and let you guys know. Okay, next product really quick that I received here. Okay, it's from Laurant. I believe this is a lipstick. Let me see what it says. It's in the color Posh. It's a lip gloss in the color Posh. Here, I'll show you now. Okay, so I have tried Laurant before, a lip liner I have, and I almost use it in all of my videos, and I love it, so I'm excited for this. Ooh, it's like a nude. It's like a nude shade color. I'm gonna try it here and show you guys. Oh, nice. It's really creamy and pigmented. Ooh, I'm excited to try this as well. Let you guys know. Next product I have here is from Ciate London. Is an eyeshadow, a cream eyeshadow, Lustre, and in the color Cupid. Okay, yeah. Okay. I think I have like 1 or 2 liquid eyeshadows, and I barely use it, but it's good for like toppers. Ooh, this actually matches with my eyeshadow today. That is so cool. It's like a sparkly purple. That is super cool. I'm not gonna use it now. I'm not gonna ruin my eye look, but wow, this is really nice. It's very like translucent. I mean, not translucent, like shiny, as you can see. Wow, look at this, like metallic, very sparkly. I'm excited. And it fell. It went that way. Okay, doesn't matter. It's amazing. I'm excited to try this on my eyes. I'll probably do a video trying that sometime. Okay, and last product I received here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's from Alamar Cosmetics. Oh my god, I actually have from them the Brighter and Bronzer Trio. The for the contour, to brighten your under eyes, for bronzer, and I love it. It's amazing. And this is the blush. Oh my god, this is so cool. It's called Colorete Blush Trio. Yeah, and it's in the shade medium tan. Oh my god, let me open it. Ooh, wow. Okay, so it's like an orange peachy tone and then a red tone. This is super, super nice. Okay, I'm gonna do some swatches on my hand, my arm. Oh, look at this one, the peachy. I don't know if you can see it there, but it's really, really nice. Oh my god. And like light. I don't know if you can see it. But, and this is like pinkish red. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna try it right now. I know I have like a lot of blush, but you can never have enough blush. Okay, I'm gonna try the Toasted. This one right here. It's like pinkish. Oh my god, whoa! Oh my god, this is pigmented. Look at this, guys. Wow. That is pigmented. Yeah. Now I look like one of those dolls. Doesn't matter, but for you guys, I'll try it. What do you think? Oh, it's really pigmented. Oh my god, I'm excited. This box is amazing. So that's it. Oh, I have one more product here. Oh my god, it was hidden under the foamy thingy. Okay, so this is a lip liner from Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind. It's a cashmere lip pencil. This is super nice. Okay, let me see. Oh my god, and it goes really nice with the lip gloss I received. Awesome, this is awesome. Okay, I didn't show you the price one by one, but I'm gonna be telling you guys now, and I'm gonna be adding it really quickly. Let me see my calculator, and the eyeshadow went all the way over there. I'll pick it up later. Okay, let me start summing this up. So the Glamglow, the Gentlebuble cleanser. Let me read you a little bit of the description of everything really fast. It's a gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioner gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oh, it dissolves the makeup. That is amazing. It's an oat amino acid conditioner, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities, soap, fragrance, and SLS LAES free. All skin types approved. Perfect, because I have sensitive skin and this works great. So the retail price of this is $28. Okay, I'm gonna add. Then the Alamar Colorete Blush Trio is $22. Let me read a little bit what it says. It says, get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetic Colorete Blush Trio, formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks. This buttery, smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed blush without the damage of the rays. And the Ciate London Cream Eyeshadow is $22. Okay, then the Steve Laurent Lip Gloss is $22. And then the Vintage Lipstick is $21. So you get a retail overall price of this of $115. Remember, the price back then of the whole product was way less than what it is now. That's why they increased the monthly fee of $25. But for $21 and getting all this for $115 is a pretty good deal, I think. So I'm super excited to try all this product. I'll probably be trying it out throughout the videos that I do. I do need to do another tutorial video. I haven't done that in the longest. So let me know what you guys want me to do. If you like this video, if you purchase a mystery box, and what did you get? So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for subscribing. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And if you're watching this for the first time, please make sure to subscribe. It will help me a lot. And enough talking. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.